Hello, I'm Dr. Jason, Sui. I am the founder of Day Healthy Channel. Today I will tell you about 10 signs that indicate problems in your kidneys. If you are ready, let's get started. The human frame is a masterpiece, a symphony of organs and systems running in concord to sustain lifestyles. In this intricate orchestra, the kidneys come to be silent heroes, diligently sporting out crucial features that frequently go unnoticed. Nestled in opposition to the backdrop of our back muscle mass, those bean-formed wonders play a pivotal role in preserving our normal health and well-being. In this enlightening adventure, we can resolve the mysteries of kidney fitness, shining a highlight on the subtle symptoms that those excellent organs might be sending us. Early detection becomes a beacon of hope in dealing with kidney-related problems, urging us to pay attention to the whispers of our bodies. So, be part of us as we discover the 10 unmistakable alerts that have to never be brushed aside, supplying a roadmap to safeguarding the health of those unsung heroes. To clearly draw close the caution signs of kidney concerns, it's crucial to understand the essential roles those organs play. Picture the kidneys as nature's filters, processing an astonishing 200 quarts of blood every day to sift out about 2 quarts of waste and excess water. This waste, converted into urine, turns into a linchpin in maintaining the delicate chemical balance inside our bodies. Beyond this, the kidneys modify blood stress, foster purple blood cell production, and uphold the top-quality equilibrium of electrolytes. The journey in the direction of kidney failure can be paved by means of various elements, each posing a unique risk to the complex capability of these organs. Leading the fee are chronic conditions, which include diabetes and excessive blood strain, while infections, kidney stones, and genetic issues join the ranks as formidable participants. Understanding the roots of kidney problems lays the foundation for spotting potential caution signs. Kidney disease isn't a challenge. It's a global task touching the lives of millions across various demographics. According to the World Health Organization, the prevalence of chronic kidney disease is escalating, affecting an envisioned 10% of the sector's populace. This fantastic statistic underscores the urgency for heightened focus and proactive measures to hold our kidney health. Embark on this enlightening journey as we unveil the 10 warning symptoms that your kidneys can be subtly calling for attention. Persistent fatigue, INA. Our body's energy is intertwined with the performance of its internal structures, with the kidneys orchestrating a vital position. Persistent and unexplained fatigue can be an early sign of kidney trouble, as those organs, responsible for filtering waste, play a pivotal role in maintaining our electricity tiers. Swelling, edema. Witness swelling in arms, legs, ankles, or face. This bodily manifestation will be a beacon of kidney problems, indicating an imbalance in fluid regulation. The kidney's warfare to clear out and do away with excess fluid can lead to sizable swelling, urging us to heed this visible cue. Changes in urination, T. The color, frequency, and consistency of urine can be home windows into our health, with the kidneys being central gamers. Abrupt changes in urination styles or the presence of blood can be indicators of kidney issues, prompting us to take note of these subtle but large alerts. Back pain, INE. While lower back ache is regularly attributed to various reasons, chronic or severe ache within the kidney area must no longer be disregarded. Distinguishing among recurring discomfort and pain linked to kidney issues is crucial for early detection and well-timed intervention. Difficulty concentrating. The kidneys, via their regulatory capabilities, indirectly influence cognitive skills. Difficulty concentrating, unrelated to external stressors, can be an early indicator that the kidneys may not be performing optimally, emphasizing the tricky connection between kidney fitness and mental clarity. Mood swings. Hormonal imbalances associated with kidney disorder can deliver upward push to abrupt changes in emotional states. Mood swings function subtle, however large warning signs and symptoms that the delicate balance of hormones, regulated in part by way of the kidneys, may be disrupted. Insomnia. Difficulty falling or staying asleep may be more than a passing trouble. It could signify underlying demanding situations in kidney characteristic. Recognizing the connection among kidney fitness and sleep patterns is crucial for figuring out ability troubles early on. Dry and itchy skin. The skin displays inner fitness, and chronic dryness or itchiness, unrelated to external factors, can be indicative of kidney-related troubles. These subtle signals underscore the kidney's position in getting rid of waste and keeping universal internal stability. Hair loss. Changes in hair, exceptional or quantity, can offer insights into usual properly being. Unexplained hair loss can be a diffused sign that your kidneys are facing demanding situations, emphasizing the problematic link between kidney feature and hair fitness. Loss of appetite, a persistent loss of urge for food, unrelated to outside elements, can be a caution sign of underlying kidney problems. Disruptions in the digestive device, prompted by way of the accumulation of pollution, may additionally show up as a decreased choice to devour. Kidney fitness is a holistic journey, intricately woven into our common nicely being. Regular checkups, early detection, and proactive way of life picks are the pillars of this journey. By know-how the subtle signals our bodies ship, we empower ourselves to take rate of our health. The direction to kidney health starts with awareness, keeps with informed decision-making, and prospers through a dedication to a way of life fostering overall properly being. Your frame is an astonishing interconnected system. Concentrate to its whispers, for inside them lies the important thing to a thriving, healthy life.